When you travel a lot, you learn pretty quickly what's hype and what actually earns a permanent spot in your kit. Today we're breaking down travel items that we reach for on every single trip, and that's stuff that has survived airports, weather, bad decisions, and it still comes out swinging. If you're shopping for a traveler or just want gear that won't quit on you, these are the gifts that actually land. This is our 2025 travel gift guide, and everything in here is something that we've used hard, but we love even harder. Let's dive in. GLERUPS wool boots. These wool slippers are next level cozy. They're handmade in Denmark, so quality is insane. They mold to your feet, keep your toes warm, and never smell funky. Aaron and I wear them at home, in hotels, and these honestly are typically our travel day shoes. They feel like a little slice of heaven every time we wear them. They're a perfect gift for travelers or anyone who lives in cold weather. They last for years, look classy, and your gift will actually get used. OUTASK telescoping lantern. This lantern is a space-saving game changer. It collapses down small, but expands to throw serious light. Perfect for camping, hotel rooms, or even late night packing. It's USB rechargeable, super durable, and lasts ages on a single charge. It's a practical gift that gets used again and again, and its telescoping design makes it feel, a little magical. LOGITECH MX Master Mouse for Mac, and they have one for PC as well. If you or any of your friends do any kind of work on the road, this mouse is worth its weight in gold. Ergonomic, crazy precise, and works literally on any surface, even glass. We travel with laptops and iPads, and this mouse connects to all of it so that we can stay editing, keep up to date on emails, spreadsheets, or booking the next flight. It's a thoughtful gift for remote workers, digital nomads, or anyone who hates a clunky laptop touchpad. Samsung T7 and T9 external SSDs. These external drives are essential. Lightning fast, tiny, and shockproof, they're perfect for storing photos, videos, and all your travel files. We've dropped ours, stuffed it in backpacks, and it keeps humming along. For anyone who travels with tech or shoots a ton of content, this is a gift that literally saves memories. We edit all of our videos in Final Cut Pro, and this hard drive is what we edit from. We don't edit from the internal SSD on the computer. We just love these Samsung T7 and T9 drives. We keep backups of our main footage on the T7, and then we edit directly from the T9. The read-write speeds are just really crazy fast. NUTSAC EDC bags. Yes, NUTSAC. We keep chargers, cables, batteries, and random essentials organized so we're not digging through a backpack mid-airport. NUTSAC EDC bags are minimalistic, lightweight, and they are insanely durable. It's the perfect stocking stuffer for travelers or anyone who loves a tidy bag. We'll leave links in the description below for dedicated videos we've done on the Sling Plus, the Speed Sling, the Commander. We find all of the products from NUTSAC are extremely utilitarian and they'll last forever. These NUTSACs might be small, but they're big on utility. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a tiny camera that packs a huge punch. This is actually the main camera that we shoot our videos with. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 has stabilized 4K video, fits in your pocket. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of travel filming. We love it for vlogs or for capturing those cinematic shots without lugging around a big camera or putting our iPhone in the freewell cage and having a bunch of things hooked up to it. If that person in your life loves documenting trips or you just want to catch those family moments, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a no-brainer if you can find it. The DJI Osmo Nano Action Camera. This pocket-sized camera is travel gold. This is a new addition to our collection. We traded in our Insta360 Go 3S, and we got this Nano Action Camera simply because the mics, the DJI Mic 2s, pair directly to this, so our audio is a little better. It's small enough to slip into any pocket or sling bag, powerful enough to capture smooth, high-quality video, and it's perfect for spontaneous adventures, hikes, or documenting daily travel life without hauling a big rig. We love using it when we want subtle footage, city strolls, quick clips, or vlogging on the go. If you want a travel gift that combines minimalism, ease, and great video quality, this little Nano is a sleeper hit. And if you want to elevate the footage that you take with the Nano, pair the DJI Mic 2s with the Nano. Hey internet friends, it's that time of year again. Christmas 2025 is just around the corner. Woo! and Aaron asked me what I wanted from Santa this year. I told him I don't want stuff, I want something bigger.
But how big?
We would love to reach 5,000 subscribers on YouTube, not just because it's a number, but because it means more people discovering money-saving travel tips, experiencing new destinations with us, and maybe even getting the inspiration to travel beyond their 50-mile bubble. But the holidays are not just about receiving, they're about giving. Okay, so here's the plan. For every new subscriber that we get in December, we're gonna donate 25 cents to a charity. And you get to help choose what charity that is. How to join? Simply hit the button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And then leave a comment below, like where you're from and what charity you think deserves the donation. And that's it. You'll be helping us grow and helping others this holiday season.
If you want to keep up with our travels along the way, follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. But YouTube is where we're going to share our biggest adventures and best travel hacks. Let's make this December the month of giving and growing together.
Help us help others. Thanks for the support. The DJI Mic 2. Audio is everything for vlogs or calls, and this mic is ridiculously good. Compact, wireless, and crystal clear. I'm recording on it right now. And it works in noisy environments, but with the noise cancellation, it isolates your voice. We use it constantly on trips, and it saved countless takes from being ruined by wind or spurious chatter. It's a practical gift that instantly upgrades your quality content. The main feature about the DJI Mic 2 is that it has 32-bit float internal recording, so you can record basically a safety track internally on the mic, so that if you do have spurious inputs from your environment or you get too many peaks, then your safety track is going to allow you to recover the audio. You guys know we love Level 8 luggage. It's stylish, durable, and engineered for travel stress. Level 8 bags are our favorite. Those insanely smooth 360-degree spinner wheels, great compartment design on the inside, and a solid build mean your bag survives airports, weather, and even the occasional rough baggage handler. Level 8 luggage is perfect for anyone who travels often, and it's a gift both practical and impressive. Apple iPad Mini. We love our iPad minis. They're small, light, and seriously powerful. The iPad mini is perfect for reading, streaming, quick edits, or calls while traveling. It fits anywhere, and we use it for our maps, our notes, and most importantly, it's perfect for entertainment on airplanes. The iPad mini is a thoughtful gift for a frequent traveler or anyone who wants a travel-sized tablet that packs a serious punch. Beats POWERBEATS Pro 2 wireless Bluetooth headphones. The POWERBEATS Pro 2 from Beats have amazing sound, the earbuds stay put, and it has battery life that survives long-haul flights. Perfect for workouts, airport lounge time, or just tuning out the chaos. Travelers will thank you every time they pop them in. And of course, they come in orange, so that's the color I had to get. Aaron likes the Apple AirPods Pro. They're noise canceling, compact, and the flawless integration with Apple devices. The connection seamlessly moves from device to device based on what you're doing. The AirPods are ideal for flights, trains, or just daily life. Aaron swears by them for taking calls, for zoning out while traveling, or watching his favorite TV shows. They're a classic gift that always hits. Apple AirPods Max. And then when space allows, we both have a pair of AirPod Max. If you want ultra premium travel audio, noise canceling, spatial sound, cushy comfort, and a really long battery life, these over-the-ear headphones deliver. A splurge? Yeah, they're a little pricey, but for someone who values immersive music, for me, editing in silence, or a comfortable audio experience on flights, the Apple AirPods Max are a top-tier gift. iPhone 17 Pro Max in a mouse case! Something new to my setup this year for my iPhone 17 Pro Max is this aramid fiber case from MOUS. This case, it's honestly over-engineered, and they're fully transparent with every choice they made during the design process, and they posted all of it online, and I really appreciate it, and honestly, that's what made me buy it. The case is super slim, but tank-like with protection. MOUS cases are a travel essential. They are drop-proof, scratch-resistant, and just a little more futuristic looking. If you know somebody who's rough on their tech, this is a gift they'll actually use daily. Our personal backpacks, the WANDRD 35-liter transit travel backpack. It comes in black and Wasatch green. It's the perfect balance of style, durability, and organization. with a laptop sleeve, camera compartments, and weatherproof fabric means it can handle anything. We've literally tested this bag in every condition: airports, rainstorms, overpacking situations, and it never quits. Unzip the expander and you'll gain an extra 5 liters of space. In all of their products, WANDRD have really thought out all of the pain points from a user perspective and then crafted unique solutions to address everyday carry and travel pain points with your gear. Whether you're hopping between countries or just using sketchy public Wi-Fi at a hostel or a cafe, SURFSHARK VPN makes sure your connection stays private and secure. It's fast, works under one account for all of your devices, and gives you peace of mind that your travel plans, your uploads, and your passwords aren't being snooped on. Also, you can change your virtual location to a different country to unlock content that might not be available where you are. For frequent travelers or anyone who cares about privacy on the go, a SURFSHARK VPN subscription is a must-have digital companion. If you love squeezing maximum value out of credit card miles and points like we do, Daily Drop Pro becomes your secret weapon. The annual plan gives you access to a suite of tools that replaces hours, and we mean hours, of painfully digging through airline sites and hotels to find those reward travel deals. You get unlimited flights and hotel point searches instead of running separate searches across each airline or hotel program. Daily Drop Pro lets you search hundreds of loyalty programs and transferable point programs all at once, showing you every viable redemption for your dates and your destination. The wallet feature: if you've got multiple credit cards, airline loyalty accounts, and hotel reward programs, the Daily Drop Pro wallet keeps track of everything in one place, so you know how many miles or points you have and where you could transfer them to for maximum value. For travelers, frequent flyers, or anyone deep into miles and points, Daily Drop Pro isn't just a subscription. It's basically like a personal travel hacking assistant. It pays for itself the first time you book that sweet deal. And finally, one late addition that's not going to make the video because we're going to be field testing it at the Christmas markets in Europe. It's this, it's clothing by a heated, what is it called? Heated clothing? What do you call this stuff? Heated. It has heat on the inside from Action Heat. And this is a jacket that I'm going to be wearing, and there are heating coils on the inside here, and then on the back right here there's a little battery, and you press the button, and that's on high, medium, and low. And then if you're out and about and you don't want the light on, there's a ghost mode. You can turn the light off. But this is a kind of like a fleece knit jacket from Action Heat. See how it does. So more to come on that. Okay guys, well that is our gift guide for 2025. Links in the description below for every item we talked about today. Some of the links in the description below are affiliate links, and our channel does receive a small commission from your sale, and we thank you for that. It does not cost you anything extra. It's just a little kickback that we get, that we reinvest back into this channel to help stay on the road and continue taking trips and bringing you some of the gear reviews that we have. So we appreciate the support. And so to get a feel for what you're going to see in the next couple of videos from us, watch this playlist next. That is our Christmas markets from 2024, where we went to 5 countries in 5 days: Finland, Estonia, Cologne, Germany, Strasbourg, France, and ended it with this running of the Krampus in Salzburg, Austria. Check out that playlist. And we are headed to London, England first, and then back to Cologne, Germany, and then Brussels, Belgium, and then we're finishing it up in Amsterdam. All right, love you guys. Peace out. Is an action camera that packs, is a pocket-sized camera. The DJI OSMO, the DJI OSMO Nano, the DJI OSMO Nano, the DJI so you can pick up, oh my God, this is a train wreck.